Are you ready to increase muscle mass, gain strength, and boost testosterone? Introducing Myotest. Myotest is a unique combination of anabolic compounds that have been demonstrated to safely supercharge testosterone while vaporizing estrogen. With Myotest, you will experience increased testosterone, solid muscle growth, bionic strength, drive anabolic effects, decrease body fat, and ignite sexual performance. Turn your body into a natural testosterone-producing factory and get Myotest today. Myotest is formulated to outperform any natural testosterone booster you have ever tried or your money back. Guaranteed.